What's up, digital dreamweavers? Welcome to episode 6 of This Is How They Do That, the podcast that turns tech confusion into tech confidence. I'm your host, Quincy, and today we're going full Frankenstein in the best possible way. We're diving into how to create your own animated characters using AI tools. That's right, we're combining all the AI superpowers we've been discussing in our previous episodes to create a complete digital character from scratch, complete with personality, movement, and voice. It's like being a digital puppet master, except without all those strings getting tangled up. Today's episode is all about the workflow, using ChatGPT to create your character, Hydra to animate them, and CapCut to put everything together into a polished final product. So let's jump into this AI character creation laboratory. Step 1 in our digital character creation journey, giving our character a personality and backstory. This is where ChatGPT becomes your writing partner. Now, you could spend weeks developing a character backstory, or you could have ChatGPT whip one up faster than I abandon my New Year's resolutions. Simply prompt it with something like, create a detailed character profile for an animated space explorer named Captain Nova, who discovers unusual planets. ChatGPT will generate a full profile. Personality traits, backstory, quirks, speaking style, and even sample dialogue. The key here is to be specific about what you want. If you just ask for a character, you might get anything from a disgruntled detective to a talking sandwich. AI needs direction, people. Pro tip: ask ChatGPT to also generate some dialogue examples in your character's voice. This gives you material for your voiceover later, but more importantly, ensures the character actually sounds distinct. Nobody wants a space explorer who talks like they're reading a dishwasher manual. I once asked ChatGPT to create a mysterious character without further specifics, and ended up with someone whose entire personality was wearing a hat and saying, perhaps, a lot. Specific prompts get specific results. The beauty of using ChatGPT for this step is iteration. Don't like certain aspects? Just say, keep the same background but make them more optimistic. Or, I like everything except the backstory. Can we make that more tragic? It's like having a writing partner who never gets offended by feedback or steals your snacks. Once you have your character's identity locked down, it's time for step 2, bringing them visually to life with Hydra. Hydra is our animation powerhouse that can create 3D animated characters based on text descriptions. The key to success here is translating your ChatGPT character profile into visual prompts. Here's a little known secret: Hydra allows you to create up to 5 minutes of high quality video, with a paid subscription, of course. But short clips are easier to work with when you have to make adjustments to the video. Start by uploading the image of you character you just created in ChatGPT. Then add movement descriptions. Captain Nova moves confidently but carefully, always scanning the environment. They gesture expressively when excited about a discovery. The first results might look like your character is performing an interpretive dance about being trapped in quicksand, but Hydra gets better with refined prompts. Specify camera angles, lighting, and the environment to get more control over the final animation. Pro tip: create several short animations rather than one long one. It's easier to work with 5-10 second clips showing different emotions and actions than trying to get one perfect 30-second sequence. A fun Hydra hack: if your character looks a bit off, and they sometimes will, don't start from scratch. Instead, use terms like more realistic proportions, smoother movements, or my personal favorite, less like they're experiencing a medical emergency. The AI learns from your feedback. Now for the final step, combining animation with voice in CapCut to create a complete character experience. CapCut has become the Swiss Army knife of content creators, with AI features that make video editing accessible to everyone. The magic here is how easily it lets you combine different AI-generated elements. First, import your Hydra animation clips. Then you have 2 options for voice. You can use CapCut's built-in text-to-speech, which is honestly getting impressively good, or import a voiceover created with a dedicated tool like 11 Labs if you want more control over the voice performance. You could have also used the text-to-speech option in Hydra if you went for the gusto and created a longer video. The secret sauce in CapCut is its auto caption feature combined with keyframing. Generate captions for your dialogue, then adjust the timing of each animation clip to match key moments in the speech. This creates the illusion that your character is actually speaking the words. It's all about that sync. Pro tip: use CapCut's AI music generator to add a custom soundtrack that matches your character's vibe. Nothing says professional animation like music that enhances the mood rather than some random royalty-free track that sounds like it belongs in a dental office. CapCut's AI background removal is another game changer here. If your Hydra animation has elements you don't want, you can often clean them up without going back to square one. It's like having a digital eraser for all those weird artifacts that AI occasionally throws in, like that third arm your character definitely wasn't supposed to have. Now let's talk about bringing it all together in a workflow that won't make you question your life choices. 1. Start with ChatGPT for character development and save the profile in a document you can reference. This is your character Bible. 2. Create your animations in Hydra based on that profile, focusing on short, usable clips showing different actions and emotions. 3. Write your script in ChatGPT using your character's voice, then generate the voiceover. 4. Import everything into CapCut and arrange your animation clips to match the audio. 5. Add music, sound effects, and any text overlays to enhance the experience. 6. Export and show off your AI-generated character that looks like it took a full production team. The beauty of this workflow is that once you've created your character, you can easily make more content with them. It's like having an actor on retainer who never asks for a raise or complains about the craft services table. The combination of these tools puts character creation powers in your hands that would have required an entire animation studio just a few years ago. Is it perfect? No. Will your character occasionally have fingers that look like they're throwing gang signs when they're supposed to be waving? Probably. But the results get better every day, and the creative possibilities are limitless. Next week, we'll explore AI tools for creating immersive virtual environments, or as I call them, how to build entire worlds without leaving your couch. Until then, this is Quincy signing off. Keep creating, stay curious, and remember, now you know how they do that.